Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create your own website within minutes. First of all, you're going to use this hosting company, Bluehost, and you are going to start here. I would advise you to choose the basic plan, especially if you're a beginner, because you don't need to spend unnecessary money in the more advanced plans. So choose the basic plan and create a new domain. The domain is free for the first year, so choose a domain that you want for your website. For example, I'll enter a random domain, training 2. Next. Our domain is available, that's good. Now we can continue the creation of our website. First of all, you have to put in your account information, your first name, your last name, your business name if you have a business, your country, and other information about you. If you're a beginner, I would advise you to pick the 3-year plan because it's much cheaper than the 12-month plan. So choose the 3-year monthly price. Keep the domain privacy and protection on tick. Untick site lock security. Untick SiteGuard basic. And you're going to pay $140 for 3-year hosting plan. If you choose the 1 year, you're going to pay $75. So with $75 per month, you have a website. You can pay with your credit card. You agreed with the terms, and after you click submit, you're going to have a website. I'm going to upload another tutorial in which I show you the inside of the website, how to organize categories, menus, how to add posts, which theme to choose, and much more.